Hello everyone, once again welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Although this recipe has many variations, this one today is one of my favorites because it has simple ingredients and it's absolutely delicious, so everything that's in it you pretty much have around the house. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right to doing the recipe. Okay, so we're going to start by placing about 3/4 of a cup of canola oil in a large mixing bowl. Next, add in 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and then just 1/4 of a cup of white sugar. Next, we'll add 2 large eggs. Then mix that in together. Now then, continuing on, we'll add 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You'll need 1½ cups of grated carrots and add that to the mixing bowl. 1¼ cups of all-purpose flour, and then add 2½ tablespoons of milk. And mix that together until everything's well incorporated. And if you're using a mixer like I'm doing, I remove the whisk attachment now, and then I use a large spoon to scrape down the sides of the bowl and make sure that there's no flour pockets. The consistency of the batter is pretty well perfect, so we'll go ahead and put that into some prepared muffin tins so that we can get our cupcakes in the oven. I'll pour the batter evenly between 12 cupcakes, then placing a few chopped pecans on about half of them, and leaving the other half without for those that don't like nuts. And each of these are filled about 3/4 full. So we'll place them in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 20 minutes. Wow, I like the way these look. Now, just to be sure that they're cooked through, I'll check the middle to make sure that the toothpick comes out clean, and that way I know for sure it's cooked through. It's looking pretty good here. Once they have cooled down a little bit, I'll move them from the pan and I'll place them on the wire rack to cool. Let them cool down and then go ahead and place your favorite frosting on top. These are so moist and delicious. They're like a mini carrot cake of its own, and so I think you're really going to enjoy this recipe. Go ahead and make it, and I hope you enjoy. And thanks so much for watching today's video. And until next time, happy eating.